What's going on, guys? Decelation, Brian.
What's up, peeps?
How's it going, y'all?
And she brought her son.
Yeah.
Gotta say hi.
Hey, my name's Dominic.
What's up? So today's gonna be an easy day today. We're putting Brian in the old man chair. He's gonna sit.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit this one out today.
He's gonna sit this. I worked him earlier today on non-YouTube stuff, so I gotta give him a break. But yes, what we're working on, it's glass time because we need to go get the glass in and set before we can do the windshield wipers, and that's pretty much. Oh, that's gonna be good. Then we can take it for a ride and actually be able to see. That's a benefit. And Dominic, you went for a ride. Mm-hmm. How'd you like it?
It's fucking sick. Like there's no other way to word it.
Yes, thank you.
You can't see out of it though with the wind in your eyes. So.
But yeah, we're gonna fix that today. So yes, all right. Stay tuned. We're gonna get to work. Welcome back, guys. So, people, what do? Panning.
Panning. Right round. See, everybody's singing that. It's like almost as good as getting rickrolled.
Oh man, we're not rickrolling in this video. But look at that. We got glass in the front and in the rear. So now we're just waiting for it to dry. Oh man, I can't wait to drive and actually see. Well, man. Well, it's good. It looks really good.
I mean, we did a good job driving around this long with, with our eyes closed most of the time.
That is true. But yeah, a little short video, but it's necessary, and we have to do this and let it cure before we start trying to put the windshield wipers in. So that's kind of why we got to do this, because we have to calibrate the sweep of them. Ain't that right, Brian?
That is, and that's going to be fun. And
Yeah, we get to grease
covered
that
in
kid.
grease.
Don't remind me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you like this type of content. Hit that like button, comment down below, tell us what you think. Have a good one, guys. Peace. Say goodbye, everybody.
Take it easy, peeps.